Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another good one here. This is going to be a Amazon unboxing video. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on that link if you like this item. Add it to your cart right now and check out so they can ship this to you fast. And also click on it, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. They got like label printers and stuff like that I did an unboxing for earlier this year. This is coming from iDPRT printer. This is a thermal receipt printer. Great for small businesses. Pretty much you name it. I might want to grab a couple. This reminds me of the Walgreens days. Really nice printer. You get the power cord right there. You get a printer cable hook up to your laptop, computer, desktop, Windows, dot or MacBook, iOS, you name it. This does it all. You get the little manual, and you also get this little disc. This little guy. But I think it's once you plug it in, I think it automatically updates. There was a little guy right here. It comes with a little sample roll. It's really good for the video shoot. We can use that. So thank you guys at iDPRT for sending me this. And now we're going to take this, get the juice going. But hopefully you guys had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Make sure you give a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. You know the rules. But definitely something really cool to start off your business. You got a nice cord right here. 3-pronger. Just want to plug it in the back. See, it goes like this, but we're gonna have to replace that paper the right way. Oop. Here's the bottom. Simple. Power goes here. Get in the hole. Come on. This end up. There we go. She's in. And then now we got this. This is easy. Everyone knows how to do this part. Bada boom. And now this is for this little guy goes in here. You can do a landline also. And this guy goes here. Up and there we go. Plug it in. And then now we're gonna hop over to the computer. But here's the front. Got the power button and got the feeder. And it's simple. Lift up. And you can see hot head right here, so be careful. And like I said, this came in a separate bag, so you get an extra one. Oh yeah. I think I remember correctly. It's been a while since I've changed the receipt paper. I hated doing that at retail. Sometimes you get confused, it goes the wrong way. And then you hold up the line and people get mad. Oh, so much fun. I think that's how we do it. If I can remember, but I'm not sure. Let me double check. Yeah, see there's a software you gotta download. Just make sure. We'll show you how to do it. Paper roll. Oh no, it goes like that. See, I was in the right. You just gotta do that. And bam. Okay. Okay. See. Got enough room. Flippity flap. And then we got plug it in. Windows, driver installed up to 7 and 11. Choose the type. USB is for USB port. SP900. But I think you could go. But I'm just going to install the disk. I got a disk drive. This computer has a disk drive. My other computer don't. So I think if you don't have a disk drive, you can go onto their website, iDPRT.com, and then download the software once you pick out your right thermal printer. So either it's the print label machine they have there, or this receipt paper, whatever it is. Just click on it, and we're gonna go set this thing up. Definitely nice looking though. Way easier than the ones at Walgreens and stuff like that. So maybe they should take a look and invest into these types. I mean, it was so easy to flop out. Just bam. Look at that. But once we figure out how to print and stuff like that, they did bring a test copy inside. So this is what it looks like. Kind of, like I said, kind of like a Walgreens type deal, or anywhere that it's like a small business type deal. So all you people running restaurants type stuff like that, sports cards, memorabilia, this would be a good one to get. Even on the road, you could take this with you on the laptop, your MacBook, and if you're at a convention, bada boom, you're all set. I mean, it's not that heavy at all to carry it with you. I think you could get away with it at the airport, so I don't think they'll question you too much about it. I mean, just bring it a box or something. This, you know, but definitely cool. Or even have it shipped to your hotel room and set up there. You know, either or. This is an iDPRT. We'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, I have it all set up now. Looking good. Easy to hook up. No problems. I installed the small disk because I still have a disk drive in this computer, but my bedroom don't. But if you don't have a disk drive, I think you could go on their website and download the drivers and stuff like that you need to get it going. So I installed this one. That helped a lot. But I'm sure, like I said, I can install it. But here's the setup. Programs right there. Open that up, and this is what pops up. So you can run it off your laptop, your MacBook. We could do a printer test. Open cache drawer. Well, I don't have a cache drawer set up, but if you hook it up, you could hook it up. So it's up to you. Full cut test. Right there. Then there's a print text test. Printer status should be online. Has paper and close. Self test. There we go. There's a receipt. Pretty cool. Like I said, if I could set this up, anyone could do it. Really easy to use. You can make your own QR code. Say you want the number, or you could just spell STOUT79. Actually, the D stout. There we go. And now it should print. And then we'll do a partial cut. Take that. All day long. Look at that go. See? And if you scan that QR code, it'll just probably say the Stout 79. Really cool. I'm glad everything works. Like I said, YouTubers, all you gotta do is click that link down below. Order your order yours now, and they'll ship this to you pretty fast. Alright, YouTubers, ID print SP900 thermal receipt paper printer. Alright, take it easy.